Hey guys, in this video we're going to cover how to use the automation tools in SoundBridge. We'll add automation manually by drawing an automation track and by recording automation. We'll also cover how to add automation for plugins. Before watching this video, make sure you've checked out all the other ones in this series. The first way we can add automation is by manually drawing it. First, we need to see our automation lanes. To view the lanes, press the A button on the track when in the tracks view. To draw an automation clip, use the draw tool and click and drag on the lane that we want to add it to. We can also click and drag the ends to change the length. Keep in mind that this automation clip size will be affected by snapping and the snap resolution. Once the clip is created, it will show up in the bottom and we'll be able to edit it. We can also click on the clip to go back to it if it disappears from the bottom. To change the automation, make sure you're in draw mode. Then you can draw points on it and drag them up and down to automate that parameter. Like the length of the clip, the position of the automation points are affected by snapping. If snapping is disabled, we can add points anywhere and click and drag. That also allows us to click and drag to draw a curve since we can't change the shape of the line between the points. Another way we can create automation is by recording it. To do that, press the arm automation button on the track. Then press the record button on the transport to start recording the automation. Just make sure the arm to record audio and MIDI is disabled on that track as well to avoid overwriting our track. Then we can click and drag any of the parameters on that track from the mixer view and it will be saved as automation. This is also how we create automation on a plugin. We'll arm automation for that track, open the plugin, and drag the knobs on the plugin to automate them. We have to do it this way because otherwise the automation lanes for the plugin controls don't show up. Thanks for checking out this video on creating automation in SoundBridge. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications whenever a new video is released. You can also check the video description for links to social media accounts so you can stay up to date on all our new content.